Hello, bonjour. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a Google Analytics tracking ID on your YouTube channel. Ok, je vais vous montrer comment ajouter Google Analytics dans votre chaîne YouTube. Donc on va commencer. So we're gonna start. You're gonna have to go to Google Analytics. Okay, let's go to Google Analytics. Click here. So now I'm on my Google Analytics. Okay, let's come to here, setting, admin setting. Click here the admin, so the administrator. Okay, when you click on admin, okay, you're gonna have to come on account. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, color in the TV. Okay, donc je sélectionne color in the TV. Ensuite vous venez dans property, just here in this column, and you click tracking info. Click it, you come tracking code, click tracking code. So this is your tracking ID. So all you're gonna have to do is to copy it, select and copy it, and you're gonna have to go to your YouTube channel, or you have to go to your YouTube channel setting, youtube.com. Ok, vous allez tout à fait en bas, Google Analytics Property Tracking ID. So you're going to paste this thing here. When you paste it, you click save. Perfect. So as you can see, it's worked perfect. So this is how you add a tracking ID for your YouTube channel.